Hello everyone, Abir here. In this video, I will show you how to enable all pages data layer on Shopify using Google Tag Manager. Through data layer, we can dynamically track e-commerce product very easily. We can track our customer activity through data layer. We can track our product details like product name, product price, add to cart or not, buy not. Okay, we can track anything we can track through data layer. So without further delay, let's get started. To install data layer, we need to integrate with Google Tag Manager website before. I have already integrated Tag Manager on my Shopify store. Let's see. Just enable Google Tag Manager legacy. You can easily find on Google Tag Manager legacy. Extension Chrome. This is Tag Manager checking tool. Okay, now I have already installed. Just enable and just reload. Okay, this is our Google Analytics code and this is our Google Tag Manager code, GTM. Okay, GTM, this is our web container or Google Tag Manager container tag, it's GTM. Okay, now let's see our data layer is working or not. First we need to check. Go to preview, and put here store address and connect. Now it's loading and our debugging is connected, and as you can see here is no data, and we need to go to product view. No data yet. Our data layer is not enabled because for the reason our data layer is not working. Okay, now let's see how to enable data layer on our Shopify store without F. Okay, now I am closing Google Tag Assistant. Close. We need to go to Shopify theme section under action and go to edit code and down, and as you can see here is snippets, and create add new snippets. File name is here, same, copy, paste and done. Don't worry, I have already checked before our data layer is script, for the reason it's already, but I am removing. Now copy this code, view, and copy all script. Copy, just paste here and save. Okay, our snippet code is successfully installed here, and we need to go to theme.liquid under layout and copy this code, include data layer all pages. Go to theme.liquid, double click here head and go to closing head. This is our closing head. Just space before closing head, put here include data layer all pages code, just save. and exit, and now go to settings. This code again code the checkout and account pages and down, and as you can see our order status page and additional script, just space here and copy again this code and copy and just paste here. Our code is now successfully installed. Okay, and just save, and now check our data layer is working or not. Again go to Google Tag Manager, go to preview, and put here store address and connect. Our debugging is connecting, now is connected, and continue. Now if I go to any product, go to collection, and now check our data layer is on. Wow, nice, our data layer is now enabled. Product section and go to data layer. Oh my god, and as you can see here is our data layer is product ID, variant, product type, this is our product name is 3D wall cloak, European fashion, this is our description. Now successfully our data layer is now enabling, and check other page is not working or not. Go to add to cart, check out, and as you can see our add to cart data layer is now working. This is our event name is add to cart. Go to data layer, and as you can see here is our data layer is now working, and I'm putting my details 953 continue, to purchase, and again complete order. Okay, same address shipping, complete order. Our order being processed. Thank you, order is successfully complete. This is our order ID 1006, and go to transaction, and as you can see here is our product ID SKU detail, and this is our shipping detail, and as you can see here is our currency USD, page type transaction, and this is the transaction number and transaction ID 1006, and total value my product is total value is $0.00, and this is our total value. Now successfully our data layer is now enabled on our Shopify store. Thank you for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.